Welcome to TechDevil. I'm sure you've heard the news. The Sony Xperia 1.6 is here, and it's a statement. Sony has once again pushed the boundaries of smartphone technology, delivering a device that excels in display, camera, and overall performance. From the moment you hold the Xperia 1.6X, you can feel the premium craftsmanship. The sleek design, combined with the cutting-edge technology packed inside, makes it clear that this phone is in a league of its own. Whether you're a content creator, a mobile gamer, or simply someone who appreciates the finer things in life, the Xperia 1.6 demands your attention. It's a phone that seamlessly blends style and substance, offering an experience that's both luxurious and powerful. Get ready to dive deep into the world of the Sony Xperia 1.6. At the heart of the Xperia 1.6 beats the mighty Qualcomm Snapdragon processor. This chipset is renowned for its blazing fast speeds and exceptional power efficiency, making it the perfect choice for a flagship device. Paired with ample RAM, the Xperia 1.6 can effortlessly handle even the most demanding tasks. Storage is plentiful, with options for those who demand ample space for their ever-growing digital libraries. Connectivity is also top-notch, with support for the latest Wi-Fi standards ensuring lightning-fast download and upload speeds. And with 5G capabilities, you'll be ready to experience the future of mobile internet. The Xperia 1.6 is a powerhouse in every sense of the word. The Sony Xperia 1.6 boasts a stunning display that's a testament to Sony's expertise in visual technology. The large OLED screen delivers vibrant colors, deep blacks, and exceptional clarity, making every image and video come to life. Content creators and consumers alike will appreciate the high refresh rate, which ensures buttery smooth scrolling and fluid animations. Whether you're browsing the web, watching your favorite shows, or playing graphically intensive games, the Xperia 1.6's display delivers an unparalleled visual experience. Design-wise, the Xperia 1.6 exudes elegance and sophistication. Its sleek profile, combined with premium materials, creates a sense of understated luxury. The phone feels great in the hand, striking a perfect balance between form and function. The camera is where the Sony Xperia 1.6 truly shines. Sony has leveraged its expertise in imaging technology to create a camera system that rivals professional-grade equipment. The triple-lens setup captures stunning detail and clarity, even in challenging lighting conditions. Sony's renowned autofocus technology ensures that every shot is crisp and clear, capturing fleeting moments with precision. Whether you're shooting fast-moving subjects or low-light scenes, the Xperia 1.6's camera delivers exceptional results. Videographers will appreciate the phone's ability to record in high-resolution formats, capturing cinematic footage with ease. The Xperia 1.6's camera is a testament to Sony's commitment to pushing the boundaries of mobile photography. Section 5. Battery and Performance. Built to endure. The Sony Xperia 1.6 is equipped with a robust battery that can easily power you through a full day of use. Whether you're streaming content, browsing the web, or playing games, you can rest assured that the Xperia 1.6 will keep up with your demanding lifestyle. When it comes to performance, the Xperia 1.6 is an absolute beast. Its powerful processor, coupled with ample RAM, ensures lightning-fast speeds and seamless multitasking. Apps launch in an instant, games run smoothly, and the phone handles even the most demanding tasks with ease. Sony has optimized the software to work in perfect harmony with the hardware, resulting in a device that's both powerful and efficient. The Xperia 1.6 delivers a flagship experience in every sense of the word. Section 6. Software Experience, a Symphony of Functionality. The Sony Xperia 1.6 runs on a near-stock version of Android, providing a clean and intuitive user experience. Sony's minimal additions enhance the overall experience without cluttering the interface, keeping the focus on what matters most, your content and your workflow. One of the standout features of the software is its seamless integration with Sony's ecosystem of devices. Whether you're using a Sony headphone, a Sony camera, or a Sony television, the Xperia 1.6 connects effortlessly, creating a truly connected ecosystem. Sony has also included a suite of productivity-enhancing features, making the Xperia 1.6 an ideal companion for professionals on the go. The software experience on the Xperia 1.6 is a testament to Sony's commitment to delivering a refined and intuitive user interface. Section 7. A legacy of innovation, Xperia's evolution. The Sony Xperia 1.6 is not just a standalone masterpiece, it's the culmination of years of innovation and refinement in the Xperia lineup. Sony has consistently pushed the boundaries of smartphone technology, and the Xperia 1.6 is a testament to that legacy. From the early days of the Xperia Z series with its iconic omnibalance design to the sleek and sophisticated Xperia 1 series, Sony has always strived to deliver a premium smartphone experience. The Xperia 1.6 builds upon that foundation, incorporating the best of what Xperia has to offer. Sony's relentless pursuit of excellence is evident in every aspect of the Xperia 1.6, from its stunning display and powerful camera to its sleek design and intuitive software. It's a phone that embodies the spirit of innovation that has come to define the Xperia brand. Section 8. The competition standing out in the crowd. The smartphone market is fiercely competitive, with manufacturers constantly vying for the top spot. However, the Sony Xperia 1.6 manages to stand out from the crowd, carving its own niche in the premium segment. While other manufacturers focus on delivering incremental upgrades, Sony has taken a bold approach with the Xperia 1.6, pushing the boundaries of what a smartphone can be. Its unique combination of features, from its stunning display and powerful camera to its sleek design and intuitive software, sets it apart from the competition. The Xperia 1.6 is not just another flagship phone, it's a statement piece, a device that appeals to those who demand the very best in technology and design. In a sea of sameness, the Sony Xperia 1.6 dares to be different. Section 9. Price and availability, value for the premium seeker. The Sony Xperia 1.6, as expected from a flagship device, comes with a premium price tag. It's a phone that's aimed at discerning users who are willing to invest in the best of the best, those who appreciate cutting-edge technology and exceptional craftsmanship. However, the Xperia 1.6 also offers exceptional value for its price. It's a phone that excels in every area, from its stunning display and powerful camera to its sleek design and intuitive software. Sony understands that its target audience demands the very best, and the Xperia 1.6 delivers on that promise. For those seeking the pinnacle of smartphone technology, the Sony Xperia 1.6 offers an unparalleled experience that's worth every penny. It's a phone that's built to impress and designed to exceed expectations. Section 10. Final verdict, a masterpiece for the discerning user. The Sony Xperia 1.6 is more than just a smartphone, it's a statement. It's a testament to Sony's commitment to pushing the boundaries of technology and delivering a premium user experience. From its stunning display and powerful camera to its sleek design and intuitive software, the Xperia 1.6 excels in every area. It's a phone that's designed for those who demand the very best, for those who appreciate the finer things in life. If you're looking for a phone that stands out from the crowd, a phone that's as much about making a statement as it is about staying connected, the Xperia 1.6 is the perfect choice. The Sony Xperia 1.6 is a masterpiece of engineering and design, a phone that's worthy of the flagship title. It's a phone that will undoubtedly leave its mark on the industry, inspiring future generations of Xperia devices. Section 11. Who should consider the Xperia 1.6? The Sony Xperia 1.6 is not for everyone. It's a phone that's specifically designed for a certain type of user, one who demands the very best and is willing to pay a premium for it. Here are a few types of users who would be an ideal fit for the Xperia 1V content creators. The Xperia 1V's camera is its crown jewel. If you're someone who loves to capture stunning photos and videos, whether for professional or personal use, the Xperia 1.6 is the perfect tool for you. Its advanced camera features and professional-grade capabilities will elevate your content to the next level. Mobile gamers. The Xperia 1.6's powerful processor, stunning display, and long-lasting battery make it a mobile gamer's dream. If you're someone who takes their mobile gaming seriously and demands the best possible performance, the Xperia 1.6 will give you a competitive edge. Tech enthusiasts. If you're someone who always wants the latest and greatest technology, the Xperia 1.6 is a must-have. Its cutting-edge features, sleek design, and premium build quality will satisfy even the most discerning tech enthusiast. Professionals. The Xperia 1.6 is more than just a pretty face, it's also a powerful productivity tool. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the Sony Xperia 1.6, Make sure to hit the subscribe button and stay tuned for more tech reviews and updates. Thanks for watching. As we wrap up our in-depth look at the Sony Xperia 1.6, it's clear that this device is a masterpiece of engineering and design. With its powerful specs, stunning display, and professional-grade camera, it's a smartphone that stands out in a crowded market. Whether you're a content creator, a mobile gamer, a tech enthusiast, or a professional, the Xperia 1.6 has something to offer you. So what are your thoughts on the Xperia 1.6? Do you think it lives up to the hype? Let us know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell icon to stay updated on our latest tech reviews and updates. Thank you for watching.